This Chamberwood Realty Group property video is presented by Lindsay Wolfe Less Than Bedroom Greater Than LIC number 325672. Charming yet spacious layout. Formal living plus dining, and relaxed in with fireplace. 3 bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms. Lots of storage, laundry room. Patio with cozy and private green backyard. These owners have done all the little details for you to enjoy. This home is move-in ready and immaculate. All brick home, front porch, covered parking. Gutters around the sides and back of home. Real wood floors or tile throughout. Updated windows. Come see why you must call this home your own today. 9018277260 for more information. Review the details below or contact Lindsay Wolfe Less Than Bedroom Greater Than LIC number 325672 at 901-861-4808.